give every day the chance to become the most beautiful day of your life. Good morning, students. In this beautiful day, today we will learn about the paint program. This you have learned in class first also. You know how to make simple drawings in paint using the commands in the Home tab on the ribbon. As you know, there are 3 groups to give command: tool groups, shapes group, color group. Do you remember the commands in tools, shapes and color groups? Let us recall them and learn some new commands. In the shape group, there are different shapes. You know how to use line, rectangle, oval and fill with color. In the color group, there are different colors which we can use in coloring. Look at the tool group. Wow! Different tools are present here. Pencil, eraser, magnifier, brushes filled with color. How can we use pencil? Oh, pencil is used for drawing or writing anything with a free hand movement. Just below the pencil, here is the eraser. An eraser is used for erasing any part of a picture or text. It is possible to erase the whole or any part of your drawing in paint. To erase the whole or a part of a drawing, we have to follow 2 steps. The first step is click the eraser from the tools group on the ribbon. Then the second step is move or drag the eraser on that part of the drawing you want to erase. Wow, it is very easy. But if we want to see a drawing in a large size, what we have to do? Yes, we have to use magnifier. Magnifier is present in the last corner of the toolbox. Magnifier is used to see a drawing in a larger size. The last one is brushes. Brushes contains different kinds of brushes to draw with a free hand movement. To make the drawing, we have to follow 14 steps. The first step is to click Home tab. In the second step, we have to click Rectangle tool. From the Shapes group, drag and draw the rectangle. Then click Pencil from the Tools group. Draw a line inside the rectangle as shown. It is the third step. After drawing a line, click Oval from the Shapes group. It is the fourth step, and the fifth step is to draw the circle as shown with the help of oval. Let's repeat these 5 steps again. First step is to click the Home tab. Second step is to click the rectangle from the Shapes group and draw a rectangle. Then click Pencil from the Tools group and draw a line. Then click Oval from the Shapes group and draw the circle. Now in step 6, click Eraser from the Tools group. You have to erase the small portion of the circles as shown. Erasing the small portion is the 7th step. Now the 8th step is to click the pencil from the Tools group and you have to draw the picture of germination of seed as shown. It is the 9th step. After this, you have to draw the sun using oval. It is the 10th step. Then, with the help of fill with color, which is present in the tools group, you have to color the picture. Means, as the step 11th, you have to click fill with color from the tools group. And as step 12th, you have to select the color to be filled from the colors group and color the picture. Then click the brushes from the tools group and select airbrushes. It is the 13th step. Then choose brown color from the colors group. Spray color by clicking at various places on the soil. Hooray! Your drawing is ready. Children, we will learn how to magnifying a picture. To magnify means to enlarge the view of an image. It is very helpful to see small lines or images in a large format. As you already know that the magnifier is present in the tool group. To magnify a picture, we have to follow 2 steps. The first step is to click magnifier from the tools group. The shape of the pointer changes and a rectangular box appears. Then the second step is to click the part of the picture you want to enlarge. Magnifier tool is used to zoom in and zoom out the picture. Magnifier tool is used to get a closer view of an image. To see the original picture again, we have to follow again the 2 steps. The first step is to click the magnifier from the tools group, and the second step is to click the right click at any part of the picture to make it appear in its normal size. So, it is about the magnifier. Now, how to open a new drawing area? We will learn this. You draw pictures in blank sheets. Whenever you want to draw a new picture, you take a new drawing sheet. Similarly, you need a drawing area to draw a new picture in paint. To open a new drawing area, we have to follow 2 steps. The first step is to click the paint button. A menu appears. Then, in the second step, click the new option. A new drawing area in paint is ready for use. Suppose you want to store the drawing that you have created. What will you do? You will store it in your computer. Storing work in the computer is called saving. To save your work in paint, we have to follow 4 steps. The first step is to click the paint button. A menu appears. The second step is to click the save option. A new window called dialog box appears. Now, in the file name box, type the name that you want to give to your work. Click the save button. You have saved your work as a file in the computer. You know how to save your work in a file. Now, learn how to open a saved paint file. To open a saved work or file, we have to follow again 4 steps. The first step is to click the paint button. A menu appears. The second step is to click the open option. The open dialog box appears. Now, in third step, you have to select the file you want to open. Now, in step 4, click the open button. When you will click open button, Your saved work is in front of you. When you have completed the work, close the Paint program. To close Paint program, we have to follow 2 steps. First step is to click the Paint button again. Then the second step is to click on Exit option. If you try to close a Paint program without saving the drawing, a warning message appears asking, "Do you want to save changes to Untitled?" Then you have to click Save button to save the picture and any changes you have made. Or click Don't Save button to delete the picture and the changes you have made. Click Cancel button to go back to the Paint program. Do you know, children, you can also close the Paint program by clicking on the Close button present on the top right corner of the Paint window. So, this is all about the chapter 4th, More on Paint. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.